Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all an unboxing of my new Coach bag. This is a Coach bag that I've had my mind on getting for quite some time, and I went ahead and I made the purchase. I made this purchase on Amazon. You'll see what I'm talking about in just a moment here. But before we get started, if you're into pink and girly, lots of what's in my bags and unboxings like today's video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel. I'd love to have you here. Also, do not forget to hit your bell notifications so that you never miss a video from me. Please also like and comment, and let's get right into today's video. So yes, you all, here is the Coach bag right here, and I have this little charm, this cherry charm on the side of it. I got this from Amazon as well, and after we unbox the bag, I will go ahead and attach this cherry charm to it. I've been so obsessed with these. They mimic the actual cherry charms that the Coach outlet sells, so I wanted to get one for a more affordable price. Of course, I already have some of these, and I figured this one would match this bag. Yeah, it's like $95 on the Coach outlet, so I paid definitely like not even half that price, way lesser for this one. But enough rambling about this beauty. We will attach this in one moment. This purse does have gold hardware, so I did opt for the gold hardware on the charm as well. So we'll get to that in just a moment. This is the Quilted Tabby 20, and this is in the color Blush. This is the name of the bag. It is right here. If you are familiar with the Coach Tabbies, you know these are so luxury. They look like they are a Chanel bag. A lot of people has compared them to Chanel bags, and I couldn't resist, you all. Goodness, here she is. I absolutely love the color. I love how we have the gold with this shade of pink. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the packaging from the straps. They really packaged this really well. I feel like I'm gonna need possibly my pink scissors to cut this off. So I'm gonna grab those really quick. There. And also gonna cut it right here. And it looks like we have to go in through the inside of the bag to completely get it off of the straps. But yeah, this definitely was packaged to the T. I'm not mad about it. Take all of this out. Yeah, we're gonna have to that off like that, and cut this. I feel like it's a Christmas present. I love it. A little bit more in the back. And as I do this, I realize this actually has a lot of space in it. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to show you the front of the bag first. Here is the gold hardware that I mentioned. Absolutely love the straps. It has like pink, that blush pink mixed in with the gold. The quilted design is what's giving Chanel, if you know what I mean. And it's so soft leather. Here is the tag for you all's reference. This bag retails for $480. Once again, I purchased on Amazon, but these bags are available on Coach Outlet. At the time, I was looking for this specific color, and it was not available for me to purchase on Coach, I believe. So, it was my first time checking out Amazon, and I just made it happen. I said I'm going to go ahead and make the purchase, and I am happy that I did so. Here is the side of the bag. We have a little Coach tag. Here is the back of the bag, and the back of the bag actually has a little pocket. It doesn't open or close, but that's fine. The top of the bag where the handles come out at. To me, that's also giving Chanel. And then we do not have any feet on the bottom, but very, very sturdy bag. As you can see, it holds up. When you sit it down, it stands on its own just fine. So when you open this bag up, you open it up right here at the C. And then we have the Tabby bag, genuine Napa leather, listed right here in gold. Coach, their name is right here. And this is like a little tab, magnetic tab that opens and closes. And we have this right here. And then we have a compartment in the front. And we have a compartment in the back. We don't have like a little zipper compartment in the back like I was hoping for, but that's okay. I believe that I can just use the back here for whatever I would put, like if this was a zipper pull in the inside. Absolutely love it. It is a smaller bag. It's smaller than I expected it to be, but I think that this will be good for going out, dinner dates and such, so I am pleased with that. And it is definitely giving luxury once again, so a girl cannot complain about that at all. Luxury for the price that I paid. I mean, compared to a Chanel bag, very, very worth it. I also have a wallet that I already unboxed offline, and I'm going to show you all that matches this bag. We also have a little dust bag that came with the bag as well. I just wanted to point that out and move this out of the way. Here is the wallet, you all. This is the wallet with the chain. And back on to the wallet, of course. We have the place in the back for our ID. Unzip this, and we also have a place in the inside to fold down some bills, put some change down in here. I also have the tag in here for you all's reference. And this is the Zip CC quilting, and this is in the color blush as well, and retails for $200, but I got this from the Coach outlet for I believe $59 at the time. Can't beat that. The wallets with the chains from Coach are like one of my favorite wallets, and I think that they can fit so much. We have parts up here, little slits where we can put cards inside. And the thing about this wallet is it may be a little bulky for a bag like this. However, I think that it's going to work out, you guys. I was a little nervous about it, but let's see how it closes up. Yeah. It fits right down in the bag just fine, as you can see. and we'll still be able to put our girly essentials in here at the same time, so that's perfect. Now, I did have a card holder for this bag originally. I bought the card holder first, and I had my mind on getting the bag. Like I had explained earlier, I couldn't find it. So I ended up actually selling the card holder, and I just knew that that card holder wasn't going to take as much space up in this bag. Ended up with this wallet instead, and we're just going to make it work, you all. Absolutely adore these two together. I think that they're a beautiful match. Gonna go ahead and remove this tag finally. She is really mine now, you all, because I cut the tag. That is so beautiful with the little cherry charm on there. Absolutely love it. And I cannot wait to do a what's my bag with this beauty, so definitely stay tuned for that. Please comment down below, are you loving these tabbies from Coach or what? She is a beauty, you all. Okay, you all, so here is the wallet with the chain beside our beautiful Coach Tabby bag, and we have the little cherry charm hanging from it. I absolutely adore it. I do think that this is the closest I can come to matching the color of this bag with the gold hardware and all for this little cherry charm, so I really like how it turned out. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed today's video and you enjoy watching videos like these over here on my channel, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And also, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I'd love to have you here. Please comment down below, and I'll see you all back here again in my next video.